Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to stop TikTok from downloading offline videos. First, open your TikTok application on your mobile device. Make sure you're logged into your account, then navigate to your profile by tapping on the profile icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you're on your profile page, look for the three horizontal lines in the top right corner. Tap on these three lines to open the menu options. From the menu that appears, select Settings and Privacy to access your account settings. In the Settings menu, scroll down slowly until you find the option labeled Offline Videos. Tap on Offline Videos to view and manage your offline content settings. Here you'll see information about downloaded videos and the automatic download feature. To stop TikTok from downloading new videos, look for the Download Settings option. Tap on Settings, where you'll find the option to pause downloads. Simply tap on Pause, and this will immediately stop TikTok from downloading any new videos for offline viewing. If you also want to remove videos that have already been downloaded to your device, look for the Clear option. Tap on Clear to delete all previously downloaded offline videos from your storage. Confirm your action if prompted, and all downloaded videos will be removed. And that's how you can both stop new downloads and clear existing ones. Thank you for watching.